Morning. Alright, so today, I'm Ryan, welcome to Whiskey and Barbecue. Today we're going to be doing something I haven't ever done before. I've done stuffed pork chops, but I want to butterfly out a pork loin and stuff that with brie or camembert cheese and apples, because that just really sounds good. So, starting off, we're going to be cooking on the 26-inch kettle. You can do this on a 22 just fine. I've got one full chimney of lump charcoal going. I think it's B&B. Pretty sure it's B&B lump. Getting that up to temperature. Just threw that in. All this prep's going to take about 15 minutes, so have your charcoal going for that. First, I'm using Golden Delicious apples for this. A lot of times when I'm doing pork, I'll do green apples, but I want more sweetness out of this one, so Golden Delicious it is. Alright, apples are done. I really like these apples. So we're going to do camembert cheese and Golden Delicious apples in the full loin. You're also going to need, pretty simple, the SPG of Life, 3-2-1, pepper, salt, and garlic, and Worcestershire sauce. That's all we're going to need. Alright, here's one of our pork loins. They're about 5 inches wide, about 2 inches tall. So whenever you're going to cut these, they're kind of a pain in the butt to cut them. We're going to unroll them. So an easy way to do it is put it into a cookie sheet that's kind of the thickness that you want and have your knife on it. And whenever you cut, just run it back and forth. It's easiest to do if you have it like at the edge of your counter, where you can have your hand going back and forth. And whenever you're done, use just something that looks like this. All kind of uniform thickness. We're gonna roll everything up inside of that. Alright, so first things first, flip it over. We're going to season the outside. Worcestershire sauce is a binder. Salt, pepper, garlic, Life. Now, whenever you're going to roll this, or whenever you're putting the apples on, you need to keep in mind kind of how this is going to roll up. So, because these things aren't going to bend really well, or they're going to break, you want to put the slices this way, so it's easier to roll. Leave a little bit of an opening at the end too, because as you roll this, stuff's going to want to push out. Now the camembert cheese. This is one of those you don't have to get super fancy with, and the crust is edible if you want to use it. You got it here, I'm going to start from one end and gently roll it up. Anything falls out, tug it back in. Nobody escapes. You see there, Get all the cheese and the apples and everything on the inside. Alright, let's get the grill going. Grill gate on without burning yourself. And we're going to go ahead and throw on 3 half fist sized chunks of pecan. Bottom grate is closed down to about halfway. You're going to put your stuffed loin on the right side of the grill with the vent directly over whenever you put the lid on. Put your cut side down too. So these have been going for about 30-40 minutes. We're running right at 450 degrees at the dome. Remember, it's right over the coal, so it's probably 375 on this side. We'll take a look at it and see what we're looking like, and we're going to give them a 180 degree turn. We're not going to flip them over, we're just going to rotate them. That looks good. So these are sitting about 115 degrees-ish internals. So probably got another 30-40 minutes on them. It's gonna be so good. I'll see y'all back in a little bit. All right, so it's been on for about an hour and a half. Right at an hour and a half. Let's give it a check. Oh, that looks so good. Alright, all these are done. So because this is a full piece of pork and it's not ground, you're looking for an internal temperature between 130 and 140. I like to go with the 135, 137 range. So we're gonna pull it out, set it in a pan, just let it rest.
Hey look, stuffed pork loin.
Yes, with
It looks delicious.
what kind of?
Did you burn your hand this time?
No. Crap, see what happens.
I feel bad that I missed it, but I was on kid duty. Like I'm always on kid duty. Cutting on a bias.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my lord.
Get you a piece.
Yeah, I'm gonna get it.
Dude.
Mm-hmm. Well, that is delicious.
Alright.
Quite delicious. Guess we're out of whiskey.
Mm.
That happens.
Mm. Yeah. Well, until next time. Was it good? You liked it?
It was delicious. You kind of took the other slices I was going to go after. And then gave the dog some.
You get any more. It's fine.
Yeah.
Until next time, burn and learn. See y'all later.